I have in front of me here a coaxial crimping tool that's available on the tvtrade.ie website. Now we grouped this in the section with all the CCTV products, which would include RJ59 cable and our BNC connectors. Basically anyway, I'm just going to show the main features on this. So you can see anyway, it has an easy grip handle on it and it has a ratchet action on it. So if we open this tool out completely and we pull it in slowly, we can hear a little click, click, click at each of the stages. The good point with that is that we hold it open at a certain level of openness, and I'm going to demonstrate the useful of that in a moment. But we'll just move it all the way in here, and when we get it in at the very tightest here and have it fully crimped, only at that point will it release. Okay, so it's judging for us how much tension to put on and when to release it. So what I have here is I have a length of RJ59 cable that we've stripped down, and what I'm going to do here is demonstrate how we will actually crimp with it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take up the central pin here. I'm going to slide it onto the end of the RJ59 cable, which we see here. I'm just going to clamp this mechanism in here repeatedly. So what we'll do here is actually just slide this in here now. And we just clamp it in all of the way and release out. And you can see here I'm after successfully crimping on the central pin onto the central cable here. So what we'll do next here is we actually get this RJ59 casing here and we slide it on and we push it all the way down. And if we look on the far side, we can see it's after pushing it through. And now what we want to do is we want to just grab this collar, we want to slide it around, we want to push it on, and we want to crimp this connector onto the RJ59 cable. So what we do here is we simply use it on the outside collar here. You can just see here now, and I will crimp it all the way in at the top. So you can see here that the circular collar is now hexagonal in design. Okay, and if you try to pull off that connector, we'll see it's locked firmly into position. Okay, so this is quite a good crimping tool. It's part of the wider range of CCTV components, cable and connectors that we have available on the tvtrade.ie website.